How to delete your Rockstar Games social club account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me, Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily delete your Rockstar Games social club account. Now you might be wondering, but it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy with this video. First things first, what you want to do is you want to head into your browser and you want to search in for Rockstar Social Club, as I have done so on the screen as you can see here. Now what you want to do next is you want to simply tap on the very first link and you want to sign into your account. Now in my case, I'm already signed in, but I guess I've been signed out here. I'll just simply tap on sign in and I'll just sign in here real quick. Now maybe this is on desktop side. I'll just switch this off and I'll just log into my account here. Now my password is saved, so I'll just sign in quickly here. Now once you're signed in here, you should get an interface somewhat like this. Let it load up first. Now what you want to do is you can see various options here on the screen. You want to simply tap on the profile icon that you can see at the right hand side of the screen. You can see the profile icon. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on, you can see the help option. You want to simply tap on help, and once you tap on help, you want to tap on support. Now once you tap on support here, what you want to do right here is you'll have to choose the social club option here. Let this load up. Since you want to delete your social club account, right, you want to simply select the social club account. Now once you do so, here you can see various options and you can see how to request social club account deletion down below as well. You want to simply select the social club account option here, and then you want to scroll down below here and you want to tap on delete account information option, and there here you'll see you'll be headed into this option here. You want to simply check this box here and you want to tap on submit web ticket. Now you won't be able to directly delete your account. You'll have to submit web ticket, and once you do so, Rockstar will get back to you through your Gmail and you'll be able to delete your account. So this way you can delete your Rockstar Social Club account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.